As not a repair shop owner, doesn't it just frustrate you when you see other shops in your market, and I don't care whether they're franchised repair shops, big box auto repair, or even the new car dealers, but they're crazy busy, just literally flooded with car count, and you know all along that your shop is better. You have better techs, you do better work, your prices are better. But you know what? Let me tell you something. In my private office, I hang this on a wall, and I love this quote from Albert Einstein. It's all about insanity, because you know the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting different results. But hey, if you're looking for different results, I've got you covered. I just released this brand new report. You could call it the car count cheat sheet. I call it the ultimate badass car count machine. Inside this report, you're going to discover the amazing secret strategy that will keep your repair shop flooded with car count month after month. It'll show you how to increase response rate from any ad, promo, or posting by 300 to 500% or more just by changing this one thing. And whatever you do, don't add more free services. After reading this report, you'll avoid this, the most common mistake every repair shop makes. Instead, you'll have car owners tripping over their feet to get to your door. And when you get into this, you're going to understand how to do it all at your current pricing. So that means there's no discounts, there's no free services, and there's no giveaways that really only attract the bottom feeders and all the car owners that don't have any money. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Check out the links below in the description and pick up your copy of the ultimate badass car count machine.